Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Ansul number 042430 Flex Loop Gasket. This is a replacement for the 842430, and this video is to simply provide visual and dimensional evidence of the item. Well, here is the visual evidence. Let's provide you with some dimensional evidence now. Outside diameter, I'd say would be 1.239. 1.239 on the outside. The ID I would say would be 0.752. 0.752 on the inside. The thickness, I would gauge it at 0.125, so right on an eighth of an inch thick. There's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Ansul products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Any questions on the Ansul 042430 Flex Loop Gasket or any other Ansul product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.